Hey guys, I got a quick review video for you today. So I'm going to be covering a 2-pack shop/garage LED lights that you can use to illuminate your work area. So the product is by a company called A Grand Top. The lights are 100 watts with 15,000 lumens each. So this set of two comes made of aluminum, which makes it nice and light. The cord that comes with it is approximately 10 feet in total length, and it also comes with on and off switch on it as well. So the product is waterproof, so you could put it outside in a warehouse or something like that and not have any issues. The rotation of the actual beams of light are 120 degrees, and then it also has swivel mounts is how it's actually installed, and those have 180 degree rotation. So basically you can tilt it like this and go any direction that you want to. So the total length is 16.37 inches this way, and then the width is 4.9 inches this way. So they have well-made heat sinks on the back that's supposed to make these LED lights last upwards of 50,000 hours. So that's a pretty long time. So the product also comes with the actual mounting brackets. So these get mounted to your surface and then on both sides. And then you basically take these guys here and they just screw into the side to install. So you would just basically put that in there and then take one of these and screw it right in there. And then that gives you the rotation, so you can swivel it any way you want. And then for actually putting it where you want it, they give you a couple different anchor sets with some screws. So that's everything that comes with the kit. I'm going to install these in my garage. So let's get this out to my shop and I'll show you what it looks like and how bright the lights are. All right, so I'm going to install these. The first thing that we need to do is go ahead and attach our brackets. That way we can get them on both sides, and then we can mark our holes where we want to place it. So these are pretty basic and easy. That comes with a washer that goes on there and then a lock washer as well. So you put those in there. We'll for these brackets, we want to make sure that it's on like that. We'll screw this piece in just like so. We'll do the other side. All right, there's one. Now we'll get this one. All right, there we go. All right, so I'm going to be installing this in my garage, and I'm going to put one light right here, and I'm going to put one light right there. So I already got the where I want to drill marked up there with pencil, so let's go ahead and get her done. All right, so the next step is going to be to screw this thing to the ceiling. So I already marked my beam. I'm not going to use the anchor because it's going into wood, and I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill a little hole just to make it a little easier. You don't have to do that. You could probably just drill right in. But my drill bit's just a little bit smaller than my screw. So let's go ahead and drill those holes and I'll show you what it looks like. I got them both installed. Obviously you can see I just put them right over the top of my garage door. And a couple things to note. I went into a wooden stud with the screws that actually bolted on, and I opted to just do one screw because I didn't need the other one in there. It holds it up perfectly fine and it's nice and sturdy, but these lights are actually very light, so it had absolutely no problem holding it up there. So it's really nice and sturdy. Now, as far as the cords go, they have that nice long cord like we talked about, and then they also have switches on them. So you could use the switches. You could plug it in on the wall, or there's a lot of different ways you could power it. For me, I had an extra plug up here next to my garage door opener plug, so I actually opted to keep everything up here. It's all out of reach, and I installed these wireless power plugs that you can control from your phone. So that allows me to turn it on from my phone. I think it looks good, and I'll show you how it looks tonight. Well, I got the lights installed, and I have to say that this really lights up my garage. So definitely happy with the how bright the lights are. I think the install looks pretty good. And yeah, I'm really happy with it, guys. So if you're looking for something like that, if you're looking for some shop lights, these are great. Definitely cool.